Welcome to TLH Patterns. I am Pradeepa. In today's video, let's see how to crochet this very pretty and elegant shawl. It's made up of motifs that are joined together to form the shawl. These motifs are joined on the go. You can make it in any shape. Mine is a trapezoid. You can make it a triangle or even rectangle. If you don't mind the millions of yarns you'll have to weave, it's a thoroughly enjoyable pattern. It's very easy and it makes a very beautiful shawl. This is the shape of my shawl. It's a trapezoid. The wingspan is 58 inches and the bottom part is 37-inch wide. In centimeters, that would be 148 and 94 respectively. The depth is 20 inches or 51 centimeters. I used this acrylic thread. It's category 1, also known as superfine yarn. Each ball is 100 grams. I used a little less than 2 balls and I used a 3.5 mm crochet hook. Let's begin. First, make a magic ring. Insert hook into the ring, pull up a loop and work 8 chains. Then work a treble into the ring. To make a treble, yarn over the hook twice, insert hook into the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Once again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now repeat chain 4 and treble into the ring 10 times. First make 4 chains and then work a treble into the ring. This is the first time. Repeat this 9 more times. Okay, now to finish the round, instead of the last chain 4, you'll work 1 chain and then a double crochet into the 4th chain. This completes the first round. You will have 12 chain 4 spaces. We'll start the next round, chain 1 and work a single crochet in the same space. And don't forget to tighten the loop after you finish the first round. You can pull the free end of the yarn to tighten the ring. And now in the second round, chain 1 and work single crochet in the same space, followed by 5 chains and then work single crochet in the next chain 4 space, 5 chains, single crochet in the next chain 4 space. Repeat this around. Instead of the last chain 5, work 2 chains and then a double crochet into the first single crochet. Round 2 is complete. Now the last round, make 1 chain and work single crochet in the same space. Then make 5 chains. Slip stitch in the 3rd chain from the hook. This will form a picot. Then 2 chains And now make a single crochet in the next chain 5 space. You will repeat this around for the first motif only. 5 chains, and then slip stitch in the third chain from the hook, make 2 chains and work single crochet in the next chain 5 space. Repeat this around. Join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet and then you can fasten it off. Then we'll see how to join the motifs. I have completed the first one, and in the second one I finished 2 rounds, and in the third round I finished 2 picots, and then instead of making the next picot I'll make 3 chains and then take the first motif and insert hook into a picot of the first motif and make a slip stitch, then chain 1, and now make a slip stitch in the third chain of the second motif and then work 2 chains. So here you have joined 2 picots of the 2 motifs, then work a single crochet in the next chain 5 space of the second motif, again chain 3. You'll be joining the next 2 picots, insert hook into the next picot, and pull yarn through the picot and through the chain, working a slip stitch, and then chain 1 and work a slip stitch in the third chain, and then work 2 chains and then single crochet in the next chain 5 space. Then complete the rest of the rounds as usual. So you'll be joining 2 picots and similarly join more motifs in a row. While joining the next motif, you leave out 4 picots after the joint and then join in the next 2 picots. So these 2 is where you'll join now. So complete the first 2 rounds of the next motif and maybe 1 or 2 picots and then make 3 chains and insert hook in the picot of the previous motif and then make a slip stitch, then chain 1, slip stitch in the third chain. So this forms a picot and then 2 chains, single crochet in the next chain 5 space. So 1 more joint, 3 chain, insert hook in the next picot of the previous motif and work a slip stitch and then chain 1, slip stitch in the third chain and then 2 chains, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, and now complete the rest of the motif as usual. Similarly, join as many as you want in the first row. So in the first row, there will be 4 picots free above and below the joints. Now I'll show you how to join the next row of motifs. I'm working bottom up, so I'll be expanding in the next row. So to join the first motif of the next row, after the joint, you will skip the next 2 picots and then join in the next 2. This is where you'll join. So make 3 chains in the next motif. You'll be joining in these 2 picots. I'll turn this row over so that it's easier for me to join. Leave these 2 and join in those 2 picots. Now you'll complete the rest of the round as usual. So this is the first motif of the second row from the bottom. Then you'll join the next motif here, here and here. Then join in the 2 picots of the motif above it. Now you have 2 more picots of the next motif to be joined. So now we have joined this motif to 3 other motifs. Now we'll finish the rest of the round as usual. The next motif we'll join here, here and here. So continue in this manner. This is my finished shawl. After completing, you will need to block your shawl. Here I worked 8 rows. At the top there are 20 motifs and at the bottom there are 13. Please click the like button if you enjoyed this tutorial. Also, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you.